You can run, but you can't hide.
Now, these live shrimp, what I like to do is hook them in the head, right in that spine. Bama Saltwater taught me this, and I would say it does work. Kind of a flounder rig set up with wire with a circle hook. I think this is an ounce torpedo lead on the Daiwa Shock 7'2" medium action combo. It's a good little medium action set up, light action. And what I want to do is just toss this shrimp straight out into deeper water, and we'll let them sit. Right now we're anchored up. Ooh, did I just get a bite? I am getting a bite, I think it might just be the boat swaying. And on this I got my Spanish jig. It's warming up. It's beginning of spring, so the Spanish should start to run. And I'll tell you what, I like this thing. It's heavy and I can throw it. So that's what we're gonna do. And then just reel it back as fast as we can. Oh, it's a beautiful day. This thing keeps getting tangled. I think this is for... Whoa! Hey, jelly! I just hooked into a jellyfish. Not cool. I don't want to touch it. Well, I think I'm gonna drink a beer. Throwing this around. I think this thing is for trolling, so we'll just put that back. It does have kind of a little nosedive thing to it. Something I would like to try while we're out here is throwing my cast net. I haven't done that yet. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can't get that pancake. Not bad. She's still kind of twisted. Oh. Yeah. Not out this way. That's how you throw it right there. Whew. That was perfect. No fish. No fishy for you. That's okay. We just wanted to try it out. Alright, let's relocate our shrimp again. Brittany, get your ass back in the boat. Are you having fun? How many you got? Well, let's relocate. Let's do some trolling. We got to hit it. Uh-oh. Damn. See how well that shrimp stayed alive? He's still good to go. He's just got a little forehead piercing. I'm glad you got you something. Shit, we ain't caught nothing on my end. Alright, stop.
Sorry. I said I was learning.
Easy.
Don't get mad at me. You did to your dad.
I'm not gonna get mad at you for that.
You'd have gotten in that water.
Oh, you. It's fun. Scared the shit out of me. The anchor hit the boat.
I bet scared your dad
Alright.
too. Here.
Alright, I'm driving. Where are we at?
Sorry.
Cut me. Let's go see what the buoy line looks like. You good? Alright now, we're gonna round this point. They say it's 5 to 7 foot seas. They always lie. You see what we see here, okay? I wanna hit the buoy line. For sure. Stay straight that way. We want to stay off this point. See that shallow right there? We want to point this way. Dolphin, right there.
Ooh.
Dolphin. Bunch of them.
I'm looking for the dolphin. Sorry.
Behind us. Okay.
It's pretty fucking chunky. Well, just take it easy. You know what? We're trying to
I get proof I was on
watch out.
what?
It's just a big wave.
Guys, it's been a fun day out here on the boat. We're gonna hang out on this sandbar for a little while, then head back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. We're just watching the depths.
Can I stop now?
If you want, I don't care. Man, that boat's hitting it, boy. You want to try to do that?
No.